Every Monday night on my live stream, I announce train shows in Florida and other areas when viewers let me know what they are. So, YouTube was having fits this past Monday, and I had to restart the stream several times. And one of the times when I restarted it, I lost the data, so I couldn't give you the information. So, here's the information here from the previous week. Are we having withdrawals yet for train shows? I know I am. So let's get down to the train show stuff right here. Would you look at that? Pinellas Park. Oh my goodness. Look at that. August 27th. That's over a month away. Oh my goodness. That is Regal Railway. So that's in Pinellas Park, a little bit west of Tampa, and around what else is over there? St. Petersburg and all that, Largo and all that good stuff over there. And then up in Atlanta, Georgia, August 27th, the same day, is a good show up there, and we still talking about going. We're trying to figure out what the arrangements are going to be and where we're going to stay. And I just looked on Google Maps last night, and it's an 8-hour and I think 22-minute drive to get to the gas. I don't know why they call it some gas thing now. I'm not sure exactly what they call it. It used to be called Infinite Energy Expo Center, but that's a long drive, and that's without stops. So you figure it's going to be like a 10-hour drive for us. So we're going to probably make it a 2-hour event going up there, probably Friday night, and staying for the show on Saturday, and then maybe on Sunday, maybe hit the museum there in Duluth, and then head back home. Hey, Larry Eggering, how you doing? National Train Show in St. Louis, August 12th and 14th. Let me put this up here. All right. Are you going to that one? That's a little bit too far for me, but thank you for putting that in there. Am I the only one left in the chat? Why? Did you lose your chat on there? I still see people in here. Okay. So anyway, Atlanta. We'll most likely go to that one. I hope if there's anybody up that way, I'll see them there. I know a couple people contacted me already and said, hey, I'm coming. I'll see if I can find you when you're up there and say hello. Oh, you get a, yes, the DCC group moderator, I get a trip. Okay. Hey, that's one of the perks. All right. Good deal. Oh my goodness. I like those kind of perks. The last time we went to Melbourne, I was surprised. I felt like a celebrity because the lady there at the counter said, oh my goodness, you can come in here for free the rest of your life. You and Debbie and Sadie, if you bring her, because they liked me doing the reviews on the shows, and I didn't know what to say. I said thank you. that was amazing. So okay, so and that Melbourne, September 3. So we're definitely going to go to that one, and we'll be able to sneak into that one for free. But that's okay. I don't mind paying anyway. But that's always a good show on the east coast of Florida. And Low Country Railroad said he lost chat a few minutes ago too. Uh-oh. Is YouTube screwing up tonight? All right. And YouTube is giving me a message over here. It's a good place to put in ads. I don't think so. I don't want to put in ads on it. You put enough ads in there. Okay, so Brooksville, Florida, September 10th. That's a little bit north of Tampa. We haven't been to one of them yet, but that's another Regal Railway. And a little bit east of that, over at the Villages, is September 17th and 18th. We will surely go to that one right there. And Rainbow Bell says he's working and his is working. And Larry Eggering says me also. All right, so there we go. Okay. How about that? All right, it's working again. Okay. You two must be screwing up because everything looks good on this end right here. So the Villages, we're definitely going to go to that one. And then Pinellas Park again on October 1st. That is Suncoast Model Railroad Club. That's Roy Sacco's club. And we'll most likely go to that one also. I always like going to that one and getting a big bear hug from from Sacco. Oh boy, he could really plan a big bear hug. Okay, then Plant City, Florida, October 8th. We'll be going to that one. That's an NMRA, like a 3-day event. So the train show is always on the Saturday, October 8th. And you can always go to the museum afterwards and sit there and wave at the virtual rail cam in down Plant City. Getting sacked by Sacco. There you go. There you go. Getting sacked by Sacco. That's for sure. He gives big bear hugs. And Chris Rogeri, how you doing? Glad to see you in here tonight. Glad you can make it. Okie dokie. So, where were we? Plant City. And they always got trains going by. And Timonium, Maryland, October 15 and 16. We are planning on going to that one. We'll be going up in a couple of days early and staying with my daughter. And hopefully we'll get to the fairgrounds and then the B&O Railroad Museum on Sunday. And hey, Ray, are you going to have a barbecue that day? Are you inviting everybody over? I just wondering. And maybe some other sites when we're up that way. Maybe I'll head up to Strasburg also. And I always like to go to Ellicott City too. That's just right around the corner from Baltimore. Yeah, Timonium's my backyard. There you go. Yeah. And Plumber said he'll be there too. All right. And I guess Ray isn't going to have a barbecue because he laughed out loud on that one. But anyway, it was worth a try. And there was one guy in here the other day said there's a model railroad club by there. He invited us. So, Ray, do you know who that is? And do you know where that club is? Because I'd like to go there too. I always like to see trains. And here's another one right here. Great Train Show, Puyallup, Washington, January. Did I say that right? Puyallup? January. Wow, that's way. Oh my goodness. That's next year. January 21 and 22 of 2023. All right. So thank you for putting that up there. All right. Interesting fact, Tom. The pic of my profile is me inside the J.C. Davis at the B&O Museum. All right. Good to hear. All right. I love that place. I went up there the year that we went up to had the meet and greet in Steamtown. We stopped in Georgia at the Railroad Museum in Savannah. I did a live stream from that. And then we stopped in the B&O Railroad Museum, and I did a live stream from that. And I did a live stream from Strasburg also. And that's the only 3 places that I can get a good signal to be able to do a live stream. But hopefully, maybe we could get a live stream when we're up in Timonium They should have some good signal up there at the fairgrounds. I don't know how it would be inside the Cow Palace. Ellicott City has a great brewery. Yeah, I seen that. There's a really big building there. They get flooded a lot. The last time we was there, they were still cleaning up from one of the, well, not the last time, but one of the times. And we were there right after the flood. They were still cleaning up a lot of stuff. Oh, Lee Way said he's having a heart attack. A train show by Seattle, be still my heart. Oh my God, that's how my heart feels with that levothyroxine. I mean, it's really pounding. Uh-oh. What did Artie say? Let me find what Artie said. Oh, where do I pitch my tent? Oh, there you go. That's not a bad place to pitch a tent. Fox and deer here. All right. That is it for the train shows. If you have any that you know about, post it in the chat. Let me know. And I'll let everybody else know. And I'll see what I got in the queue. And if you don't mind, gently smash the like button so YouTube gets the message that they should push out these live streams. Share this stream also to your favorite social media platform. There you go. All right. Really appreciate it. And let's get official with this thing. I'll do this right here. Smash it, smash it, smash it. And Artie says, I ain't afraid of no foxes and deer. Yeah. See you at the Duluth, Georgia show. Be sure to and bring Debbie. Yes, Debbie is going to be there, and we have to bring Sadie along also. She don't want to leave her at her sister's house in Orlando like she did the last time. So we're going to be taking Sadie up there, and I don't know. Debbie's laying in bed, so I don't think she's listening. But I hope she doesn't want to get one of those dog carts. But that's the only way that we'll be able to get Sadie inside the place. So we'll see. We'll see. Sadie doesn't like confined spaces, so we'll see how that works out. Okay, I'm glad you're going to be there. Tap me and let me know who you are, and we'll take a selfie. Oh, okay, maybe that's it. Baltimore Society of Model Engineers, their layout. Is that the one close to there? When we was at the Railroad Museum over Christmas, they had a really nice N-scale modular layout there. I wonder if that's them. Uh-oh. We're in trouble now. Look who showed up. I heard that the top for tonight's show is Annoy Tom. Did I miss anything? No, but I'm sure you'll get your digs in to annoy me. Is that your goal in life? Don't forget to check out my live stream every Monday night at 8 p.m. so you can participate in the chat. And if you have some train shows that you want to add, either give it to me in the chat or send me an email, tomstrainsandthings@gmail.com. If you have a flyer, include that too, and I'll post it in the Monday night live stream so we could have your stream or so we could have your train show publicized. Coming up in a few days, I'm going to be doing a new video on DCC++EX, what I'm doing here and what I'm doing in the family room. I'm going to give you an update on that. I mentioned a little bit about it on the Monday night live stream, so keep an eye out for that. It's going to be coming out later this week. So until the next time, we'll see you.